10 passive income ideas. How to make money while you sleep. Is it actually possible to make money without working? Absolutely yes. How do I know it's possible? Well, I make more money while I sleep than many people make by working 40 hours a week. So how did I do it? And how can you start making passive income between now and the next 12 months? Before I share with you 10 passive income ideas you can use to make money, let me put a strong disclaimer right here. You see, making money on passive income is like driving a car. When you're just learning how to drive, you have to use all your brain power to concentrate. You'll make a lot of mistakes, and you may even get involved in a few minor accidents. You'll only be able to drive a car without much effort or absolute concentration only if you are willing to sacrifice several weeks or months to make those necessary mistakes and get better. The same thing happens with passive income. Some passive income opportunities require that you spend several months learning, making mistakes and building before you can now relax and make money while sleeping. If you can't get through this learning and trying phase, this video will be of no help to you. If you're still here, let me share with you 10 passive income ideas you can try out. Number 1. Invest in an existing business. On March 1st, 2017, a friend of mine invested about $10,000 in one of my businesses. Our terms is that I was going to pay him $3,000 every year for the next 7 years, and I'll be giving him his $10,000 investment back after the 7th year. This person doesn't do any single thing in my business, but is still going to make $3,000 every year for the next 7 years. While you may think that $3,000 isn't a lot of money, consider the fact that you don't work for it, and you can have multiples of such streams. Now, I'm not promising you that every entrepreneur out there will be willing to give you such a mouth-watering dividend, because my business is having high profit margin, and that's why I could give away a lot to bribe an investor. But there's possibility out there if you can meet up with some entrepreneurs who know what they are doing but don't have money. You can invest in their business and get a percentage or good interest. This way, you can make money without working. Number 2. Write a book. I published my first book in the year 2013. Till today, that book is still making me money every month. I don't have to rewrite the book or do any monthly work, yet I make money from it. Do I mean that everyone can write a book? No, not everyone can write a book. But if you think you can write a book, go ahead and do so. Also learn how to sell your book and possibly automate some selling processes. If you can't write a book, you can do other things recommended in this video. Let's continue. Number 3. Buy and sell domain names. You know what domain names are, right? They are www.google.com, www.facebook.com, www.anything.com. Now, do you know that some people just buy bulk of domain names at $10 each, keep them and go to bed, only to sell those domain names for hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars later? Yes, I mean it. Candy.com was sold for $3 million in June 2009. Medicare.com was sold for $4.8 million in the year 2014. Listen to this. Carinsurance.com was sold for a whopping $49.7 million in the year 2010. As I said earlier, it usually takes time and learning before you can master anything. So you may not be able to buy a domain tomorrow and sell it for $1 million next year. In fact, you may never get enough luck to ever sell a domain for $1 million. But what if you're able to sell a domain you bought for $10 at $50,000 or something like that, and you sell one of such each year. Number 4. Crowd-funded real estate. Real estate for centuries has always been for the rich, but that's changing now. People are now crowdfunding real estate, which essentially means that hundreds or even thousands of people pull together their financial resources to acquire real estate properties, then make passive income from rent or lease. If you're interested in this, go to Google and research further. If you think you can, you can. Number 5. Start a blog. I started my first blog around 2013. It failed. I cried and forgot about it. In the year 2014, I got inspiration from a friend to start another blog. I did and worked hard on it for about 1 year and abandoned it. No, not what you think. I didn't abandon the blog. I simply got busy with few other businesses. And guess what? Even though I've not written a single blog post in the last 1 year, my blog still makes me money. I mean, even if it's $100 every month, making money while you do nothing comes with wonderful feeling. So, if you think you have a message to communicate with the world, you can lay your hands on blogging. Work hard for the first year or so, and if done well, you can continue making passive income for years to come. Number 6. License your photos. Do you know you can make money from your own photos? Crazy, isn't it? There's a website called Shutterstock. What they do is accept the submission of your photos. If your photos are approved, you'll make royalty on them whenever anyone buys any of them. Imagine selling a single piece of your picture for 100 times a year and making royalty again and again from such. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. I really have never tried affiliate marketing because I'm a selfish goat. You see, I know people who make a lot of money from affiliate marketing, selling other people's products, but because I love to sell my own products, so I concentrate solely on selling my own stuff. You don't have to be me. If you have a reasonable social media or online following, you can market other companies' products to them. These companies pay you commission for giving them customers, and you can make this commission on a passive level. Number 8. Use one of your cars for Uber. We are living in an age where broke people use luxurious cars. You have 2 cars and need some extra cash? Get one out for Uber. I don't know how Uber operates in your country, but in my country, you can drop your car for Uber. They will employ a driver on your behalf and you earn money from your car. You can also employ a driver on your own for your car. Use it for Uber and you make some money along the line. Number 9. Rent out a room in your house. Airbnb works just as Uber for your extra rooms. You have 1 or 2 extra rooms no one is using? Join Airbnb and get people to stay in your rooms while they pay you for it. Number 10. Create YouTube videos. In the year 2014, I created a YouTube channel and just dropped 3 carelessly made videos and forgot about it. About a year later, I saw that people were watching those videos, but I still didn't pay attention to the channel until one day when I googled to know the most popular websites in my country, and I found YouTube in number 3, just after Google. This revelation shocked me and I started thinking, if millions of people could be going to YouTube every day, there should be how to make money there. Today, I make money from YouTube in 2 ways. First, I made some videos about the products of my company. As at today, those videos generate about 500 views every day, and my business receives calls every day, and we sell to some of those leads. Selling your products from a video you have made several months ago is a miracle. Plus, of course, you can make ad money from your video views. Like everything else in this video, It's like wanting to drive a car. You must be willing to spend many weeks and months to learn and make mistakes before you can drive easily and without much consciousness. Can you make money without work? Yes. Can most people do it? Yes. Will most people do it? No. But why? Well, most people of the world simply don't want to make sacrifices on anything. They would rather spend all their lives on the job they hate than to sacrifice a year to learn and make mistakes on anything. I wish you are not one of them. Thank you for watching our videos. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.